24 minutes. That's way over here. We're trying to find the area between them. All right, what's the plan? Somebody tell me what the plan is. Go ahead, Thomas.
Get both of the scores, find the decimal level.
The area, yep.
And then subtract the 24 one.
Exactly. Nice job. So we're going to find two z-scores, says Thomas. And then once we do that, we're going to look them both up. And then subtract them. And if you're wondering why, Caitlin, Brennan, and Rihanna, that's something that we definitely went over last week about why you subtract them. So watch that video or ask me for a better explanation. Everybody making sure when they put this in their calculator to put the top in parentheses or do it the top in your head or two steps. So I got two z-scores, negative 1.75 and positive 0.75. Oh, now would be a good time. Well, actually, maybe I'll do it on the next question. Remember that the table reads to the left, so this 0.401 is just what's in that little tiny tail right there. And the 0.75 was 0.7734. So to get your final answer, you're going to take 0.7734 minus 0.0401. Did you guys get 0.7333? Okay. All right, we're going to do the next one, and this time I'm going to show you how to use your calculator to do this. So draw a quick picture. Average is 45 minutes, more than 39 minutes. Here's 39. More than is over here. Okay. All right, so this is kind of hard to understand, so let me explain it. You're going to hit second VARS on your calculator like you're doing distribution. What do you think we're going to pick? Do you think we're going to pick a specific point, normal PDF, or normal CDF, something that's cumulative? Normal is definitely what we're doing. We want to find this area. So what do you think? Do you think we're going to use something cumulative or something that is a specific point? Cumulative. In fact, a specific point on a continuous curve is almost going to be exactly 0. What are the chances that somebody spent exactly 39 minutes in the store? I mean, exactly on the dot, 39 minutes, 100% exactly? Very little. It can't be 39:01, right? It can't be 39 1 second or anything like that. So what we need is a cumulative area. So first of all, I want you to write normal CDF on this one because I'm showing you how to do this. And when you're doing a CDF problem, The make sure I have this right. Yeah. So you're going to first use the low number, so it's going to be low, high, and then you're going to use your mean and your standard deviation. Now, if it's a story problem, you have a mean and a standard deviation. If you're finding the area between z-scores, so if you're specifically using z-scores, you'd put a 0 and a 1 here, because that's the mean of a bell curve is 0 and a standard deviation is 1. But in this case, we're going to use the actual numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 39. What's the high point here? How high does this go? Like, if this is 39 minutes in the store, what's the longest you could spend in the store? 60? I think 60 would be maybe about here. Huh? It's unlimited, right? And so we're just going to grab a really large number just to make it seem, I mean, we can't write infinity in our calculator, but we can write something close. So in my calculator, I'm going to hit normal CDF. My low point is going to be 39, comma. My high point, I'm just going to call 1,000. Somebody spending 1,000 minutes in the store. Technically, they could spend more than that, but why would they? Comma, and then I write down the mean, which is 45, and the standard deviation, which is 12. Parenthesis. And it just tells you what the area is. 0.6915. Usually 1,000 is a good way to go. That is if, unless of course, like your average is 1,000 and your standard deviation is like 500, then okay, pick a different number. Pick something outrageously high, or if you're going on the other side, outrageously low. But if you go too low, like, or if you go too high, like if I changed it from 1,000 to like 100,000, my calculator might be overwhelmed at that point. So it has to be something somewhat nearby. Anyone confused about how to do that in their calculator? Okay, why don't you try doing the last one with your partner, but do it with the calculator. Okay.